Hey guys, welcome back to Bougie Barbie Life. Today we will be refurbishing this 2001 Bratz doll. So her hair looks pretty good, so it looks like it doesn't even really need a boil wash. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to wash her hair and style it. So now I'm just turning on my sink, getting her hair wet, trying to see what her hair is looking like, if it's worse than I thought it would be. And it's actually pretty good. Whoever had this doll before took very good care of it, and I could really appreciate that. So now I'm just adding some shampoo. This is the acai shampoo. I think that's how you say the shampoo, but you can use any type of shampoo. I'm just going ahead and shampooing her hair, getting it all clean, because we did give her from the thrift store, so you want to make sure the doll is super clean, especially the face and the body. I usually clean the body before I start on the hair, so that's why you guys never really see that part. But yeah, so now I'm going in with my dimming brush and I'm going to start detangling the doll's hair. Get the shampoo out. I just rinsed the doll's hair out really well, making sure I got all the shampoo out of her hair, and then make sure that I got her hair really clean before I add the conditioner. For the conditioner, I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter moisturizing conditioner. I like to use any type of moisturizing conditioner. I think it's like the water to foam conditioner, but you can use any type of moisturizing conditioner. That's just my preference when it comes to refurbishing dolls. I like to use moisturizing conditioner. So I'm just going to rub it through her hair. I'm just detangling my fingers first, and then I go back in with the dimming brush and I start to detangle the hair again. So now I'm going to have her sit for 10 minutes while the conditioner sits in her hair. This just helps the hair to come out softer. So I put her in this doll chair I got from the thrift store. It's super cute. Now it's time for styling once I rinse out the conditioner. So for her, I want her to have a ponytail. Yeah, I know, another ponytail, but I just love this style on my dolls, and we're going to do something different. I want to give her a braid on the side and add a little bit of pearl accents. I think it's what we call it, accents. We add like little accessories to the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece of hair out to the side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the rest of her hair and go ahead and pull it up into a ponytail. More detail, I just had a little piece of hair out in the back and then the piece of hair out in the front that I was going to braid to wrap it around, and I braided the hair and pretty much connected it to the part in the back. I already added one of the pearl pins in her hair, so I have these pearl pins. Be careful because they are sharp, and I like to add these to dolls' hairs when I do updos or any type of styles. I think it's just very elegant and cute, so I just push the pin in between the braids going into the doll's rooting, and then there you go, you have a pearl in between the braid. So I really do want to do a whole braid hairstyle on a doll with these pins. I think it's super cute, and it's kind of my jam right now, so I think it's really cute. So I hope you guys like it. And yeah, so I'm gonna add the pins in between each braid. I think about 4 because I don't want to do too much. 1 more on the top, and then we're gonna be ready to roll her ponytail. I already know when it comes to a ponytail, I like to curl it under because I like the ponytail to be bumped under. I think it just looks cuter and it makes the hairstyle look more neat, especially for dolls. I like my doll's hair to look like to my standard of liking, which is very like silky and bumped under and neat. So I like to use rollers. I use foam rollers. You get it in Dollar Tree, you can get it on Amazon, you can get it pretty much the hair store. The hair store is the cheapest in the Dollar Tree because it's a $1. So I think it's great to use it for your doll's hair to dry. I let my doll's hair dry for overnight. I never take their hair down before the next day because for me, I just feel like I want to make sure that the hairstyle locks in. And if you want a tighter curl, you'll have to hot boil rinse the rollers in hot water for about 5 seconds. But I'm not doing that. I'm just bumping her hair under, so she's fine just like this. Let me turn her head around because she's backwards. So I'm just gonna let her sit overnight, and there she is. And let's see how she looks. There's the pearls, so you guys see up close, and let's see her how she looks in the morning. So this is the next day, and this is the final results of how my doll came out. I absolutely love how her hair looks. She looks so beautiful. I just love Bratz dolls, and they're so like a classic doll of the early 2000s. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.